Hi, this is Raju. I'm going to demonstrate Microsoft Cortana voice assistant under clean condition and noise conditions. I'm going to use this speaker for generating the noise. I'll generate two kinds of noise. One is a kitchen noise and one is a music noise. These noise will play at 70 dBc and my speech will be at around 65 dBc. Now let me show the calibration of my speech and noise using the SPL meter. Let me start with my speech. Hey Cortana, hey Cortana, hey Cortana, hey Cortana, hey Cortana, hey Cortana. Okay, let me start the kitchen noise now. Okay, now start the music. This gives approximately 6 dB, minus 6 dB SNR. Miami ClearVoice integrated with Microsoft Cortana SDK, which is running on Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to use XMOS mic array for recording and playing. Let me start the application now.
Welcome ClearVoice user. Setting up the application. Please wait. Application is ready to use.
Hey Cortana, what is the capital of China?
The capital of China is Beijing.
Hey Cortana, what is the time in India?
It's 6:04 p.m. in India.
Okay, let me start noise now, kitchen noise. Hey Cortana, what is the capital of India?
The capital of India is New Delhi.
Hey Cortana, what is the time in India?
It's 6:05 p.m. in India.
Let me switch my noise to music now. Hey Cortana, what is the capital of India?
The capital of India is New Delhi.
Hey Cortana, what time is it in India?
It's 6:06 p.m. in India.
Hey Cortana, tell me a joke.
How do you catch a runaway laptop? With an internet.
Thank you. This completes the demonstration.